Welcome back to Blockchain Pill. My name is Alex, and today we'll go over what happened on the internet computer the previous week, and we can safely assume that meme season has officially started on the internet computer protocol. And before we go exploring the latest meme tokens on the internet computer, I want us to start with a warning. As meme tokens can be profitable, they can also lead to the complete loss of your funds. And I want us to think about it for a second. You were able to hold your ICP through all the FUD that's been around, and that has not been easy. And you're now thinking to gamble your ICP on those meme tokens, which have a small percentage chance to do like 100 or 1000x and a way bigger chance to go to zero. So before moving forward, I want you to think again, is it worth it? If you decide to indulge in meme token investing or gambling, do not do it with more than a very small percentage of your whole wallet. So probably less than 1% is what I would go for. Now, with all of this out of the way, let's have a look at the two big meme tokens that are currently trending on the internet computer protocol. And of course, the first one is Sneed, which we can assume that is the leader of the meme token movement on the internet computer protocol. Sneed is currently trading between $150 and $200 since it almost hit the 1000x that we've been talking about for the past couple of weeks. On November 2nd, it hit a high of $313 and has since retraced to the current levels. So it was only short like $20 or $25 from a 1000x. When are we going to get this 1000x on an ICP token? Well, we will have to wait and see. Sneed currently has an ongoing video contest right now, but besides that, there have not been a lot of updates as far as I'm aware. Secondly, there is iDoge, a Doge copycat launched on the internet computer protocol. And this token launched with a fair bit of controversy as trading started around 20 minutes earlier than announced, which supposedly gave insiders enough time to load their bags at the cheapest price and then dump on late investors. Has the team maliciously started trading 20 minutes early to buy the token for cheap and destroy the token one day in for like 3000 ICP? Honestly, I do not think that is what happened. Although the team is not doxed, there is one big IC personality who has been doing some kind of marketing for iDoge. This personality is DKLord89, a true ICP OG, which launched the OG medals back in 2022. I honestly don't think that he would do such a thing. And I want us to imagine this scenario. You are a meme coin investor and you are on ICP swap. You keep refreshing the page to make sure you are among the first ones to invest in it. 20 minutes earlier than announced, you refresh the button and you see that you are now able to buy iDoge and you put $1,000 in. 5 minutes pass and your $1,000 is now worth $20,000. What do? Of course you sell. I think no matter who you are, if you are anonymous and you just turn $1,000 into $20,000, you will sell, you will take profit. And assuming that this was not the team being malicious and it was just a random guy, unless it's proven otherwise, I will not think that it was the team because in my opinion, it doesn't make sense, but you never know. If I will be presented with evidence that this was actually the team dumping on the community, that is a very bad look and somebody would need to do some explaining. So leaving the launch aside, let's have a look at what the token has done. So the token got listed at 5 cents. It went up to close to $1.20 and is now sitting at 32 cents with an impressive amount of liquidity. So it's over $200,000 of liquidity and over $200,000 in trading volume over the last 4 days. On their Twitter page, they say that the smart contract was blackholed, meaning that the team no longer has any control over the token, which is great. There has been a lot of negativity towards DKLord89. People are very upset that iDoge has started trading 20 minutes earlier than it was supposed to do. In my opinion, there is no rules in meme coins. Honestly, there isn't. But we'll see if iDoge is still around next week and then we can look more into it. So leaving meme tokens aside, we actually have a reason to celebrate. Motoko Ghosts, the ICP signature NFT collection designed by John, the artist behind Poke Studio, just turned 2 years old earlier last week. The floor price is currently sitting at 42 ICP, up almost 2x since June, according to the data on NFT Geek. Motoko Ghosts is one of the most decentralized NFT collections on the internet computer protocol with over 6,500 holders, that is 6,500 holders, most of them only holding one NFT. And I would assume, because this was an airdrop, I would assume that a lot of them are actually lost and the people lost the keys to them, so it's even more scarce than we think. And with Motoko Ghost, that's it. Like, the collection has no roadmap, no team, no promises, Nothing. Its value is purely given by it being the official NFT collection of the Motoko coding language. If you are into NFTs or if you're looking to buy an NFT which will hold its value or increase its value, I think Motoko is one of the best bets you can make. OpenFPL, a decentralized fantasy football game on ICP, has a new sponsor, and not just any sponsor. OpenChat is officially the sponsor of OpenFPL after the sponsorship proposal submitted by the team passed with an overwhelmingly yes vote. The money raised by this sponsorship will go directly to 100 junior football teams. DFINITY's fully on-chain hackathon showcased the internet computer's power, with developers worldwide unveiling innovative dApps using top ICP features like CKBTC and HTTPS outcalls. DFINITY's fully on-chain hackathon started on August 21st, and hackers from around the world had about a month's time to submit their projects. The 3 tracks available were Awesome ICP, Build Bitcoin, and GameFi. And the winners were IC Router, Synthify, and IC Soccer World. You can see a small description of each of those projects on the screen right now. Winning a DFINITY hackathon is no small feat, so congrats to everybody who won and everybody else who participated in the hackathon. DFINITY went ahead and welcomed a new series of projects to the grants program, and those projects are DCM Swiss, Hashkey DID, and Extremely. You can see a quick description of each project on the screen. Keep in mind that everybody who wants to build on the Internet Computer Protocol can apply for a DFINITY grant and can obtain the necessary funds to kickstart their journey on ICP. So there is a grant program that everybody should check out. We'll leave a link to that in the description below. And now let's have a look at what the SNS projects have been up to. And of course, Dragginz, with a new update, they released a sneak peek preview of their spellbook UI design. In the article, the team mentioned that they want to take a different approach when it comes to the spellbook, along the lines of Dungeons and Dragons, where you would memorize the spells to take with you instead of having every spell available to you at all times. The article then goes more in depth about the spellbook's appearance, structure, spell types, and more. We'll leave the article in the description below for those of you who want to check it out. It's a longer article, but with a lot of cool information in it. BoomDAO presented the technical design for its on-chain multiplayer infrastructure. The team goes over the reason why on-chain multiplayer is needed, some of the roadblocks that they encountered, and how they managed to overcome them. One of the big problems with hosting game on-chain is the high latency, and the BoomDAO team has concluded that there is massive potential in exploring primarily turn-based games. The team submitted a proposal last week in order to implement this into the current BoomDAO infrastructure. Sonic announced that they have secured equity in Elna, a company building fully on-chain AI bots. And Sonic will soon integrate Elna's AI chatbot, and users will have access to support through a chatbot on Sonic, as they are currently in the final testing phase. The team's vision is that within the next 6 months, the bot will be capable of providing troubleshooting steps autonomously without human intervention. This is the first step in Sonic's AI integration, as in the future we can expect Sonic to provide an AI trading coach to help you with your trades or even trade on your behalf. Imagine if this bot will help you be a profitable meme token trader, for example. That would be huge. In other news, Sonic announced that the LBP revenue will be transferred to the Sonic SNS treasury, as the Sonic DAO takes a giant leap towards sustainability and community empowerment. And with that, we're done for this week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.